One.
Hi, it's Ryan and Reese here. We're starting another project now. This is going to be on the Tork Craft 6-level storage rack. We're going to use this for some lumber and some other bits and pieces in our workshop. We've already unpacked stuff here on the Kreg table. Each level of this rack holds a 45 kilos. So we've unpacked everything here. There's a couple of things we've chosen to help us get our job done right. The one is Rawlplug, and we're using the FF1 plug here, very strong plug, nice deep plug as well, so it's going to give me a good hold. This works in just about every material out there, with a nice strong screw as well, with a Torx head on it. So driving this Torx head in here, I've got a Schroeder screwdriver bit with a Tork Craft bit holder, and that is going to mesh nicely up there in my impact driver. While I'm talking about it, we're busy testing some pre-production samples of the new Tork Craft cordless tools as well while we're at it. So to put this Rawlplug in, we're also going to need a very good drill bit. So I've chosen the Alpen Profi Baton. This Profi Baton has a hex shank in it, fits in any chuck or any cordless drill that only takes hex as well. So that's going to be a nice unit there. So for marking, we've got two things here. We've got the Pica marker. This is the Pica Dry, a Festool branded one, but all Picas are all the same. So this has a nice dry lead point on it. It can be resharpened really easily with the lid of the Pica marker there, and gives you a nice point even for deep holes, which we've got to get into through the metal to mark it perfectly. The other helping hand here is what we have, what we call the Quickdraw. The Quickdraw is an amazing little tape measure because this marks as you measure. So here we've set it to 10 centimeters, and I'm going to show you on this little piece of wood here how easy it is just to mark off 10 centimeters. It's as easy as this, and we just pull it across, and there you'll see how nicely it's marked my 10 centimeters for me. So what else do I have on my table here? Well, we are going to need a Phillips screwdriver bit. This is the Tork Craft Ultimate Impact bit to drive in these screws that go into the steel. Then the other little thing that we're going to need is a level. I'm going to be using the Kreg multi-mark tool. This can do various angles and is also set to do 90-degree angles as well, so you can really quickly and easily use this as a nice marking and leveling tool. And before we start drilling, I've laid out here the Tork Craft detector. So this little detector can detect steel, electricity, and timber. So in our wall today, which is brick, we are going to be looking for any steel or any electricity in there, so we don't make a boo-boo when we drill a hole. I'm really itching to get onto this project, so let's see how Reese and I get on with it. Reese and I have just finished this 6-level storage rack. We've used it for lumber today, and all the tools that we chose today actually work really well. We're really impressed with them. The holding power of the Rawlplug was really good, and everything else we chose was fantastic. One thing we didn't show you earlier on was the Festool dust extractor. We used this while we were drilling the holes so that there was no dust at all in our workshop. The other thing, after using these drills now for a couple of projects, we haven't recharged them yet. The 20-volt atomic batteries seem to be holding up well, and there's still more power available. So look forward to seeing you the next time. Thanks from Ryan and Reese.